mirroring of FE models. So this is something that's been a relatively hot topic recently with development. And I've personally given some updates on this topic through different presentations at different points throughout 2024. And that's why that there's not really a specific release in the corner that covers all these updates. So if you're interested in this workflow and these types of things, I'd encourage you to look at the release notes for the relevant releases, various releases. So the two things that I want to talk about, and the two main methods that we can create mirror FEMs now. So we have an automated method within the user-driven function, and a slightly more manual method using the mirror FEM function. If we look at the user-driven functionality and methodology, within that we automatically detect the mirror parts relative to a plane that the user selects, and for each of these pairs of parts we'll have one FEM that's created on the geometry of one part, and then an automatic mirror that's created for the other part. So it would be a perfect symmetric mesh across that plane that's been selected. Aspects of that UI, they're shown on the bottom of the slide. So the user needs to pick the reference plane for which the mirror detection is undertaken. And then when you get the list of parts to select meshes and things like that, there'll be a mirror FEM option that's automatically shown where there's been that automatic detection of symmetric parts. Both of those are highlighted in the black boxes. Looking at the newest edition, which is the more manual method to create a mirror FEM, this is available from 25xGA. So again, the user still needs to select the mirror plane, and then they can either use geometry detection or they can actually select the reference part that they want to use, as you can see in the lower left, and then you select the source FEM, and then based upon that you will get a mirror FEM created, which you can see on the right hand side of the slide. This will create symmetric mesh, it will create the properties and any compliant connections, so for things like couplings and virtual bolts and so forth. And there'll also be a mask that you can see on the tree items, so that you can see that they are mirror entities.